Good evening, everyone. Happy April 30th of Thursday. Okay. Tomorrow is May 1, Labor Day. I guess Friday? Yeah, Friday. Friday, May 1st, 2026. It's my happy day. So, it's our favorite day tomorrow. So, tomorrow is our favorite day. And yeah, happy Friday for tomorrow. Mm-hmm. Okay, like and subscribe if you love me, and don't forget to comment and also give the notifications. Hmm. I hope it's nice today. It's a wonderful Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow, Friday the 1st, walang 13. Cause it's really, 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 really not good. 41 tomorrow. So, this is the 41st for Friday. I'll give you a paper. So this is 41. So 4th of Friday. So May 1, 2026 Labor Day, Friday, tomorrow. Here you go. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you love 76 gas station of store. Goodbye and see you soon. See you at tomorrow's next video.